In this video, we will discuss whether it is worth buying these add-on features during the checkout. Bluehost will offer you as customers an impressive set of add-ons to choose from, known as Bluehost Package Extra. So we will go through each one of these add-ons to help you determine which Bluehost extras you should buy. Hopefully, this will help you make an informed decision. You can activate the 67% exclusive discount. To claim your discount, you will need to use our exclusive promo link available in description. This is a special discount for our viewers. Bluehost offers 4 different hosting plans. We recommend the basic plan as it serves most of the basic web hosting needs for everybody. Let's start with the domain privacy and protection. According to ICAA and regulations, every domain owner is required to provide their contact information while registering for a domain. Without this information, the domain will not be live. However, this makes your confidential contact information public on the WHOIS database, which can be unscrupulously used for spamming, hacking, or other cybercrime activities. Price. According to the 2021 Bluehost pricing plan, Domain Privacy Plus Protection costs 99 cents per month. The renewal price of this add-on is $14.88 per domain per year. Recommendation. However, the feature is available for free with Bluehost shared hosting plans, Choice Plus and Pro. It is unnecessary to pay an additional 99 cents per month for the service. It ensures great value for your time and money. We highly recommend Domain Privacy Plus Protection. The next add-on, Bluehost Codeguard. It allows you to back up and monitors your website data so that you can restore all business-critical information in case the website crashes or is being hacked. When you sign up for the Codeguard basic plan, it will regularly monitor your website for changes and instantly send an alert email on identifying any modifications. The plan provides 1 GB storage and you can monitor and restore up to 5 websites with Codeguard Basic. Daily automatic backups are available where you can backup or restore unlimited databases and files. The basic plan also provides daily site change monitoring. However, priority queuing and on-demand backups are not available with the plan. Price. Bluehost Codeguard Basic Plan will cost $32.95 per year. The renewal price is $2.99 per domain per month. Recommendation. Automatic backup is a great way to restore and protect your website database and files from unforeseen accidents such as crashes or hacking. But we cannot say that it is a must-have feature. If you own a single website with only limited data, you can manually back up the databases and files in some other storage forms. The next package extras is Bluehost SEO Tools. Bluehost SEO Tools is a suite of search engine optimization tools that help in boosting your brand presence and success online. As the web hosting provider claims, this will help improve your Bluehost SEO Tools score, which will eventually increase your search engine ranking. With higher website rankings, you will be able to generate increased traffic and more sales. Price. Bluehost SEO Tools Start add-on will cost $1.99 per month, or it will be charged at $23.88 per year. The renewal price is $5.95 per domain per month or $71.40 per domain per year. Recommendation. The Bluehost SEO Tools Start service is not a great deal because Bluehost seems to promise more than what is actually delivered. The description they provide for SEO Tools Start is quite vague and only gives you a fair idea of how you can benefit from this product. Furthermore, by installing WordPress on your website, you can get a similar type of features and they are easy to use and implement as well, like Yoast plugin. Also, you can use Google Search Console. It is a free service and proven for its effectiveness in helping you achieve great results and impressive ranking. The next package extra is Microsoft 365 Mailbox. This package extra provides you with an email platform powered by Microsoft. You can have a custom email for your domain with the reliability and security of Microsoft. The professional look and feel of your business email can help build trust and credibility among customers and stakeholders. Price. The Microsoft 365 Mailbox Email Essentials plan would cost $2.99 per license per month for the first year. The renewal cost is $4.99 per license per month. However, as a starting offer, Bluehost now provides the email service on 1-month free trial. Recommendation. You are better off even if you don't opt for the Microsoft 365 Mailbox as a package add-on. You can initially opt for the free trial to assess if this service is useful to you, and then you can pay for it if required. The next package extra is Sitelock Security Essentials. Bluehost Sitelock Security Essentials helps protect your website from malicious attacks and malware. It consists of a full suite of services and features that safeguard and monitor your website through a comprehensive approach to finding, fixing, and preventing cybercrime. Price: this Bluehost Package Extra is priced at $2.99 per month, while Sitelock Essential renewal price would cost $5.99 per domain per month, or $71.88 per domain per year when billed annually. Recommendation: again, we don't recommend Bluehost Sitelock Security Essential as a paid add-on. There are numerous other reliable free security plugins like WordFence which you can use later once you have signed up for the Bluehost account. The last package extra is Single Domain SSL. This is a paid SSL certificate that offers better security than the regular free Let's Encrypt SSL. It adds a green padlock to your site, as well as encrypting your customers' sensitive information. Price: the monthly discounted price is $3.33 per month, which equals $39.96 per year. However, at the renewal, it will become $6.67 per month. Recommendation: there is no need to buy it, simply because Bluehost already offers free SSL certificates with all of their hosting plans. That's all, so we've covered all the Bluehost package extras that you can choose from. You should now have a clear understanding of each and if any would be worth it for your needs. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Get this video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any confusions. Also, don't forget subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.